Okay. CC Cycle 2, Week 13, Science, Hand Motions Only. So I wanted to do a short video kind of walking through the U.S. space missions and just kind of give a little backstory to each one for our fun learning and to better explain the hand motions. So our CC guidebook lists the following. So what are some names of U.S. space missions? It says Mercury, Gemini, Apollo, and Shuttle. My family, we personally choose to add Artemis also because that is a space program currently going on. So let's talk a little bit about each one. So the first one is Mercury. The Mercury space mission ran from 1958 to 1963, and the main purpose of these missions was to orbit the Earth. So our hand signal for Mercury is actually going to be orbiting the Earth. So Mercury. The Gemini program, which came next, was in the 1960s, and the purpose of this program was to actually act as a bridge. We had learned how to orbit, and now we wanted to land on the moon. So this was like a practice run. So this was a bridge program. Anybody familiar with Greek and Roman mythology? I can't remember which one they are, but Gemini are twins. So our symbol is actually going to be a bridge, one side and the other. Gemini, the bridge program. The next program is Apollo, which ran from 1969 to 1972, and this was our moon landing. So Apollo is when we landed on the moon. Next is the Shuttle program. So this program was actually where we tried to use reusable shuttlecrafts. Also through this, we were able to send things into space and create the International Space Station. And this ran from 1981 to 2011. So this hand signal for shuttle is we're going to make two R's, and we're going to put one on top of the other and circle it around, because these were the first reusable or recycled spacecraft. So the shuttle missions, they were able to recycle the shuttles. Last but not least, and this is optional, is the Artemis program, which is currently going on today. And the focus of the Artemis program is to land back on the moon, and their hope is to create basically a lunar space station so that we can go to Mars, the red planet. So Artemis would be Artemis to the moon and then to Mars. So there's a little backstory of all of the U.S. space missions.